Rakshita ji is doing paragliding with us. I'm basically camera shy person.
My God, it feels like we are a bird in the sky.
आपको फ्री में करवाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है?
Okay भैया. Imagine doing rafting in this cold, chill water. Wow! Look at that, look at that. See, that's the Beas River. Very sweet water of Manali. Witnessing this beautiful landscape all the way from Manali to Kulu, because this day is going to be very adventurous as we are doing the sports activities of paragliding and rafting. So paragliding, it's like we have talked to a vendor, and the same case with rafting also. You can see the river right beside us which we are traveling through. So in that river only we will be going to do the rafting. So the temperature is almost around like 5 degrees Celsius right now because it's the morning time. Now we have stopped for doing the paragliding, and this is the spot. See, the roads are so good. These are the apple trees, and you can see the flowers has bloomed. So I just noticed that there are several colors of flowers that I've noticed in this apple trees. And right there is the mustard plants. You can see the yellow flowers. That's the mustard plants.
Hi everybody, Rakshita ji is doing paragliding with us. We are here in Robi. We are doing paragliding. We are providing paragliding in Manali. Our contact number is 12. So if anybody wants to book, please contact with Rakshita ji. Okay.
Aapka naam kya है?
My name is Chandar.
So we are getting ready for our first flight in paragliding in Manali. So you can see how the bag is, and I'm already wearing this thing. Seeing them kind of, I'm feeling excited and nervous at the same time. भैया ये पहन के ही जा सकते हैं ना, ये नहीं गिरेगा क्या?
नहीं गिरेगा ना।
हाँ. अक्षिता.
अक्षिता, मेरा नाम अमर ठाकुर है। बैठेंगे तो गिर जाएंगे हम दोनों।
हाँ.
जितना अच्छा रन करेंगे उतना अच्छा टेक ऑफ होगा, ठीक है?
And at this moment I just realized, did I do a big mistake by coming here? Because running down this steep was a big task to me. And this is the point where several thousands of thoughts hit into your mind, whether this paragliding won't be successful, if it won't take a proper flight, will this parachute don't open, or what if I just fall down, like so many thoughts. I think you guys can also relate to this. अगर ये आ जाएगा तो फिर प्रॉब्लम नहीं,
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। वॉकिंग वॉक।
Whoa, this is so scary. कितना सुंदर नजारा है ना भैया.
सुंदर तो है मैम।
So this is me doing paragliding in Manali. So my honest experience is awesome than more what I thought. I had a dream to do skydiving between the snow mountains, but yeah, I'm doing paragliding somehow. So this was my first time actually. Usually first time people are usually scared and nervous to do that because we are in such a high altitude and just it's a based on our trust on the pilot, especially how he's going to take. But the bhaiya,
Yes,
Amar Thakur bhaiya, he's riding me safely. We can see the whole village Manali from here, from this height actually. Even the roads to reach here, we had to take a 15 minutes jeep drive to reach till this point. Seeing the Bias river, and the houses are so tiny like matchbox, and the pine trees, and nature is amazing from the top. Even if you're traveling in the aeroplane also, no, you're covered from the four sides. Only you need to see through the window. But from here, everywhere you see left, right, straight, top, bottom, you see Nazara. That's the good thing about paragliding. So for me, it's a 10 minutes ride actually. For 10 minutes they charge like 1,500. Like it's for the pilot charge and the jeep charges to reach here and all that. For the tourist people, they charge like around 2,300. You can see top there how that thing is. When they suddenly opened this gliding, no, the parachute, I was nervous. But now I'm not nervous. I'm kind of enjoying. Look at them. See, this is how it is going to be.
Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
आप रोज कितना फ्लाइट कराते हैं भाई?
रोज का मैम 5-6 राइड होता है, कभी ज्यादा भी होता है ना,
हाँ।
कभी कम भी होता है।
आपने कब सीखा ये फ्लाइट करवाना?
हमने 10-12 साल पहले सीखा।
वो एडवेंचर था थोड़ा सा। जब हम लैंड करेंगे ना,
हाँ।
फ्लैग्स ऑफ करने का ऐसा। एडवेंचर करना मैम,
थोड़ा आराम से।
करना ऐसा गोल गोल घूमते हैं, मजा आता है उसमें।
हाँ, मजा है।
एक हैंड पकड़ना आपने यहाँ, ठीक है? कैमरा से दूर रखना ताकि आपका वीडियो अच्छा आए,
हाँ,
ठीक है?
ठीक है।
ऐसे मैम उसका चार्ज है, हम आपको फ्री में करवा रहे हैं, ठीक है?
उसका भी चार्ज देते हैं।
एक्सट्रीम का ऐसा गोल गोल घूमते हैं।
हाँ, कैमरा से दूर ही रखना है,
ऐसा।
ऐसा।
आराम से।
एंजॉय, डरिए ना, कैमरा सीधा है।
was an amazing experience that every human being need to experience this once in their lifetime for sure. So being at your young age, try to do this, because when you're doing this you might feel a bit of dizziness and a vomiting sensation, so you need to have that stamina. And I successfully did the paragliding and I'm proud of myself. Yeah.